Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S96 Pro, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. Now I'll quickly lock my device just so I can show you I do have a pattern set, and I'm going to progress from here from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So to get started with it, hold power key and select power off, or shutdown as it's called here. Once the device turns off, you can hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. So let's do it right now. This will take you to the boot mode. So in here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. And once you're in recovery mode, you want to again use the volume keys. This time around you can use both of them, so volume up and down. And using them you want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key. Select factory data reset, confirm it, and it will give you a message data wipe complete at the bottom once it's finished. There we go, see right here. And also you'll see that reboot system now is selected by default, so press power key once more to reboot your device. Now this will continue the process in the background, so just be patient. It will take it about maybe 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, you should be greeted with the Android setup screen. Now I'll come back once I can see my setup screen. And as you can see, the process has been finished, and you can now set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.